All right, guys, this is the 13th annual Balloon Fest here in Lake Havasu. Right now we're doing the glow, and this is what it looks like. All the pilots are just flickering up their lights. All right, check it out. We're in lot 3C, and you can see the balloons are flying.
Hi from the Lake Havasu Balloon Festival. We're staying here for 6 days and Jeremy paid it for $300, and then included with that one is your wristband. That's good for 4 days. Today is the first day actually, and they have a lot of activity for the kids, for the entire family. So we'll see how is it go, because this is our first time to attend a balloon festival.
Also, kids 10 and below are free. You guys smell that food?
Yeah.
Yeah. It feels like hot. It feels like glizzies.
Smells like glizzies.
And glizzy mean hot dogs.
Glizzy means hot dogs.
Wave to Gary, say hi Gary! And that goes first flight with Scott Griswold.
So this is how close I am to the balloon launch area. I'm in Windsor 3C. You didn't go on that.
Because I don't have money for tickets.
Dude, I used to go on this ride when I was little, but it didn't tilt. It was just flat, and it was called the Orbitron. How was it?
Good. I didn't even scream on the Rizzler.
How was it?
You know what?
How was
On
it?
the Rizzler, I got the girl.
Good?
What the hell?
What?
On the Rizzler, I got the girl.
What?
On
What are you
the,
talking about?
I got a girl.
What the heck?
So I was singing a song that goes like, but I can't help falling in love with you. From Elvis Presley, and then I kept on singing, and then like I
What, you got that Riz?
Yeah.
You got that Riz? You got that? These kids went on the Twizzler. This one costs 5 tickets. The tickets here are 40 tickets for $35, or 1 ticket for $1. And the best ride here is probably the zipper, and 1 out of the 3 kids didn't want to go on it. Guess which one? Yeah, he's a scaredy cat. How was that ride?
I felt like I was orbiting the planet, and then that the whole time.
Orbit
Yeah.
got too cranky, and then crashed into the planet to make rings.
All right. How was it?
That was fun.
Give me some of that.
No. This is my baby.
No, give me.
All right, that's it. We had fun at the carnival, rode some rides, got some cotton candy. Now we're headed back to the RV park. Hey, you guys have a good night?
Yes, yes,
Guys,
yes. That
go.
dude is awesome. Yeah, yeah.
you go.
Thank you.
So these people right here got food, and these people right here didn't get nothing. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, it's because I told them they could get their food tomorrow because we're here for like 3 days. But anyways, Jacob and Mommy got their food. What did you guys get?
So I got hot Cheeto cheese with fries.
And what did you get, Mommy?
I got nacho carne asada.
Has a good amount of cheese.
Good.
A little bit soggy, but it is good.
What about you? You want to try one?
No, I don't like spicy. Oh, fine.
There's fries.
I have a little bit Cheetos, but that's fine. It won't slow me down.
Going to try this. It has cheese, it has nachos, it has meat, it has sauce, and tomatoes and onions and cilantro.
Is cilantro the white?
I hit the spot. Copy done. Copy done.
Dude, this chip is perfect. Look at that. A little bit of green chili on there. See that? The winner is Mommy. I'd rather pick this one than that one. That one's like, I could probably make that at a gas station. This one, I gotta go to actual food truck in Mexico.
This costs $18. It's $15 plus tax. This costs $15.
Damn, you should upgrade $3.
Killed it.
Thank you so much.
$5 cheeseburger.
Better be good, $5.
French fries with chicken tenders with ranch, but I don't like the ranch, so I give it to Mom. I got corn dog with boba. These are all stores. Okay, this is heavy.
How is it?
Good. Have another.
I know all of it. I don't have to try it.
I'll try it. Okay.
Nice.
Deck cards.
Oh, cool.
What color do you want?
Say
Flashlight. It looks pretty good. This is more us.
Dang. Dude, this is big.
This one is the button.
Should I buy this?
yes.
Let me see this. Look at this bed right here.
I know, right?
You can do all kinds of stuff on this bed right here. All right, so on this side, this is the balloon field, and then over here is the VIP parking. So the balloon field, that's where they do the ascend from the morning time and then the afternoon time. There's the shuttle right here. They go back and forth between all the campgrounds. And here's a classic car. Over here, this is all the shops and vendors. And then this way is the carnival. And then over here to the beach, this is where all the food is and also the shows.
Dad, who do I remind you of?
Whoa, Elvis.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to see a freestyle BMX stunt show? We are the Superhero Stunt Team. My name is Joey. I will be your host of today's events. We have been doing awesome events just like this since 1993, and it is staying alive because of you guys. Thank you guys so much out there. This corner side coming in strong. In front corner. Going up. BMX back out on the course. Give it up, everybody! The superhero stunt team into this show off right. Going upside down with the backflip, the double. Oh, the Superman backflip, the double right next to him. Give it up for these guys, the superhero stunt team.
Awesome view of the balloons from our site. You guys like the hot air balloons?
Yeah! Oh my god.
Kid approved.
Look up there!
What? Oh, it's a hang glider. Mommy using a new gift. Got that Genesis. Got the tank.
I'll show you what technique. You wanna drink a coffee, make a pasta at the same time. So you're gonna get a cup first for your coffee. Add for your coffee. And then put salt because you're going to cook your pasta there.
This right here is our spot at Lake Havasu Balloon Fest, where we're staying at the campground closest to the balloon field, which is Windsor 3C, but no power, no water, but we were allowed to use the bathroom across the street at Lake Havasu State Park. All right, guys, we just left our campsite at Lake Havasu Balloon Fest. We're here at the parking lot of Ross. We had to leave because it was raining and we weren't pulling any power from the solar panels. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to our next stop. Our next stop is Laughlin. We're gonna go to the RV park. I haven't been there before, but we'll see.
RV park?
Yeah, we've never been there before.
Oh.
We're gonna go there right now. And Mama's inside Ross just for less.